sky, cafe windows fog as people pass by. Steam rises from my chipped porcelain cup. Rain whispers secrets that never shut up. Rainy cafe days soothe my soul, lost in the drizzle with no control. The world slows down as the heavens cry. In this small corner life feels alive. Dripping umbrellas, lean by the door, chiming bells as new faces explore. The scent of coffee swirls with wet streets, a symphony of rain and heartbeats. The clock ticks quiet like it's a shame. Conversations linger, never named. Outside puddles ripple with gentle strife, each droplet a fragment stitch in life. A stranger smiles through the weathered pane, eyes that twinkle, echoing the rain. No words exchanged, just a knowing nod, connection fleeting like a hand from God. Rainy cafe days soothe my soul, lost in the drizzle with no control. The world slows down as the heavens cry. In this small corner life feels alive. Dripping umbrellas, lean by the door, chiming bells as new faces explore. The scent of coffee swirls with wet streets, a symphony of rain and heartbeats. The clock ticks quiet like it's a shame. Conversations linger, never named. Outside puddles ripple with gentle strife, each droplet a fragment stitch in life. A stranger smiles through the weathered pane, eyes that twinkle, echoing the rain. No words exchanged, just a knowing nod, connection fleeting like a hand from God.